Hey everybody, this is Wilson Leung, real estate agent here in South San Francisco with Keller Williams Peninsula Estates. The Wilson Leung Real Estate Associates team is about to give you a glimpse of what it looks to live in Westborough South San Francisco, more about the community, the real estate market. We really hope you enjoy. Located on the west side of South San Francisco, Westborough is a neighborhood nestled off of Highway 280 with a population of right under 10,000 people. This is a tight-knit community with many focal points. Once you and your family are moved into Westborough, you can expect your kids to go to Skyline Elementary, Monteverdi Elementary, or Westborough Middle School. Start your day off by grabbing some pastries, walking down the aisle, grabbing what you love at Pear Spaghetti. On your way back from work, when you need an afternoon boost for some handmade tea or coffee, you can go to Phil's Coffee. And if with a night out with your friends and family, you can go to Classic Bowl. Westborough is a great neighborhood. You can find condos and townhomes ranging between $400,000 and $800,000, single families from $800,000 to $1.5 million. We hope we gave you a good glimpse of what it looks like to live in Westborough, South San Francisco. Our goal and aspiration at the Wilson Leung Real Estate team is to help you with building wealth through real estate. We look forward to meeting and working with you soon. Thank you.